looks like the flash flood or whatever, the storm's coming this way. Yeah, I just came out here, I was about ready to head down to Potluck, and then came out to this. And palm trees, really cool. Hey, whoa, what's going on down there? Oh, that's really coming this way. Uh-oh! Just blew my hat off. Probably about the worst of it right there. There's a little quail. See a little quail running off? Well, I'm off the Potluck. That was cool. Oh, look over there. That's dark there. Jesus. That's over to the east. I'm going to get a lot of rain. Okay, later.